might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
I hope everyone's having a great day. Today in northwest Georgia, you can see the sun shining right this minute, but it has been cloudy all morning, and we actually had quite a bit of rain last night, didn't we, Marie?
I don't remember, but if you say we did, I know we did.
We did. We had some rain, and we got more rain coming in this evening. But for this morning, we're going to run out to Sam's Club real quick before the rain does get here this evening. We've got to do a shopping haul. Primarily, we're doing the end of the month shopping haul, and we've got a list of a few items that we want to pick up at Sam's, and then we're going to stop by Aldi's on the way coming home, and we got a list of a few items we want to try to pick up there also.
Yeah, this isn't our once a month haul. This is just a few things we ran out of this month.
Okay, y'all come go with us, and we'll see you when we get to Sam's.
You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just want to go out on a walk with you. I just want to see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just want to see your shadow next to mine. I just want to see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just want to see the same things you can see. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk.
Okay, we're over here. We're looking for one particular item, and we're on the third row looking for it and hadn't found it yet. That's the only thing about coming here to Sam's. It's a very big store and a lot of walking to try to find items that you're not sure exactly where they're at to start with. Okay, this is what I was looking for. It's the glass lens wipes. There's 250 in this package, and they're $12.88. Found them all the way up here in the corner of the store. So now we're going to go back to the other departments and start looking back there. We just went past all the cashew nuts, and I don't need any today, but I do like the cashew nuts from here at Sam's Club best. They have sea salt on them, and they are just a very good tasting cashew. Okay, this aisle says it has pasta, and they do have some gluten-free pasta here at Sam's. So let me see if I can find it. Okay, there's some regular pasta. Ma'am, do you know where the gluten-free pasta would be? I know I found regular pasta.
We don't have gluten-free pasta. We just have the regular pasta.
Okay, it showed it online, but it
We
didn't say
carry
if
it
it's here.
online, but we don't have it in store.
Okay, thank you. Okay, here's the ground beef. Okay. These packages here are they're $5.47 a pound for these, but I'm gonna check up here on these that's individually wrapped and see how much they are. Okay, this is the ground beef that we got last time. It's $5.97 a pound, and it comes individually packed. 3 1-pound packs. This one is $18.03, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a pack of this. These can be put directly in the freezer. You don't have to repackage them or anything. Okay, Marie, the main reason I came out here today was to get a rotisserie chicken. So you want to pick us out a pretty one?
Oh, okay. Let's see. Is that one a pretty? You want that one?
Yeah, that'll be just fine. Okay, and the rotisserie chickens are $4.98.
The smaller ones may be better.
And we love these rotisserie chickens, don't we, Marie?
Yeah. These are a little large, but I think this is about the best ones I've seen. And they're 3 pounds for $4.12. Okay. And these are cucumbers. They're the little mini ones, and they're $3.96 for 2 pounds.
Okay, we're getting 2 dozen of the cage-free eggs, and they're $5.54 for 2 dozen. Okay, we're gonna get a 3-pound bag of the grilled chicken bites, and they are $16.98. But if you like the ones that's got the breading on them, they've got those for $13.97. And there's our friend. I think she come to visit us today. And we'll just let her go on down through that way. She'll probably be back in a minute. Marie, did you see Helen?
I did, and she saw me.
Okay. Let me get us a 3-pound bag of these. Okay, and there they are. That's 3 pounds for $16.98. Several of our viewers have said that those are really good. Okay, this was everything that we had on the list for today. And like I said, the main thing we came for today was the rotisserie chicken. We're going to be having that for our dinner tonight. And while we're here, Marie wants to go up and look at the clothes. So Marie, let's go ahead and go up there and take a look and see what they got new in the clothes this week.
Okay. I didn't see anything in the clothing department today, and we're about ready to check out, but we're going to go by the snacks and see what they got before we do check out.
Okay, I just found these peppermints, and this is a 7-pound bag. I've never seen a bag this big, and it's $7.98. These will probably last Marie and I for probably about a year. But we're going to go ahead and get a bag of these because I love the peppermints.
Okay, we finished our Sam's Club, a little end of the month haul that we needed for a few things. This is not our once a month haul, and we mainly came out here today to get the rotisserie chicken. And I did look in the clothing department, but I just didn't see anything that I needed or I wanted, and I didn't see anything that Calvin wanted because he was looking at them too, and he didn't see anything, so he didn't get him anything either. And so now then we're going to ride over to Aldi's and I'll get a few more things that we need over there that Sam's Club don't have.
And we do have a list. How much did that cost us in Sam's Club today?
$77.42.
Okay, that's not very bad. Okay, let's go to Aldi's and pick up a few items there. Okay, we're here at Aldi's and we're going to go in now. We just have a few things on our list and we're going to make it a quick trip and get what we need and get out, just like we did when we was at Sam's today. They're not too crowded this early in the morning. Marie, they had some pretty lemons here. I believe I like these better than I did the ones at Sam's.
I do. I like them better here.
You never know till you go to both stores. Here a few days ago, and I did get some of this gluten-free bread. This is the white bread, but I got the one that's got the seeds in it, but it's $6.65, and it's pretty good bread. I actually liked it. I think I've ate about 5 or 6 slices off of it so far, but I will be trying that again. I was looking for their buns, but I could not find gluten-free buns here at our Aldi store, so evidently we don't carry them here.
Calvin, do you know if we have any bread in the freezer?
We do not have any bread in the freezer.
Okay, I better get me a loaf.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to get this, and it's $1.85, and it's honey wheat. Oops, you better get you some.
I think we've got chips of different varieties, so I don't think we need any chips today. I am keeping my eye open for anything that would be gluten-free. these are gluten-free, the sweet potato chips. But Marie bought some of these last week, didn't you?
Yeah, but they were a little bit too spicy for me.
Yeah, Marie didn't care for them that much, but she did buy these last week. They're $3.69. And I hadn't tried any of these yet. These are sea salt brown rice crisp, and these are sweet chili. I don't think I would care for either one of those two, but I did get some of these right here. The caramel rice snacks, I got some of those and I enjoyed those. And they're $3.19. We've tried those crackers before. They're pretty good, aren't they?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get the garden vegetable or the original. I think I'll try this one. It's $1.49. Okay, I'm getting some organic kombucha, and it's $1.99. I'm getting it's called the ginger lemon and the mixed berry. Okay, I'm getting the Mexican grill dip for $2.99. I'm getting a 1 pound bag of mild cheddar cheese, and it's $3.39. They don't have the turkey we like, so I'm getting the honey ham, and it's $2.89. And then I'm getting the sharp cheddar sliced cheese, and it's $1.75. Okay, I'm getting some almond milk, and it's $2.19. Okay, last week we tried this orange juice and we like it, and it's $3.99. Okay, I'm getting this pumpkin spice coffee creamer for $2.75. Okay, these are $14.99 a piece. They're cute. I already have two though, and I only paid $5 a piece. But I didn't get them here. Okay, at Aldi today we spent $28.09, and we got a few more things that we needed at the end of the month that we were running out of. And so we'll be doing our once a month haul pretty soon. And so then we'll get a bigger order. But anyway, this one was, like I said, $28.09. So we're going to close our video out now, and I hope y'all enjoyed coming along with us. We enjoyed having you, and so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, and y'all have a great day.
Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in.